Do I need the Zelle app to receive money? As of April 2025, the Zelle standalone app has been officially discontinued. What's shocking is that nearly 98% of all Zelle transactions were already taking place through banks' mobile apps, not through the app itself. That massive figure ultimately led to the app's retirement. So if you're wondering whether you need the Zelle app to receive money, the short answer is no, but the real answer depends on your bank. If your bank or credit union already partners with Zelle, you can receive money directly through your financial institution's mobile app or online banking platform. All you have to do is enroll your email address or US phone number within your bank's Zelle section. Once you're set up, money sent to that contact information lands in your bank account, typically within minutes, no Zelle app needed. If your bank doesn't support Zelle, that's where things get complicated. Prior to the app's shutdown, users in this situation could download the standalone Zelle app to send and receive funds. With that option now gone, you'll either need to use a different peer-to-peer payment platform like Venmo or Cash App or consider switching to a bank that does offer Zelle integration. In other words, you can't use Zelle without some sort of participating bank relationship anymore. Another reason the app's shutdown matters is security. Zelle's biggest appeal has always been its speed, money often transfers instantly. But that speed comes with risk. If you send money to the wrong person or fall for a scam, there's usually no way to reverse the transaction. In fact, Zelle has faced increasing criticism for how vulnerable its platform is to fraud, especially since it lacks the same buyer protection features offered by some other digital payment apps. Bottom line, you no longer need the Zelle app to receive money, and in fact, you can't use it even if you wanted to. Receiving money now depends entirely on whether your bank supports Zelle within its own app. If it does, you're in the clear. If it doesn't, it might be time to explore other options. Either way, use caution. Zelle is fast, convenient, and popular, but it's not foolproof.